If you're wondering how you can add photo in Canva resume but not sure how, then this video is for you. Today in this video, we'll be guiding you on how you can add a photo to your resume in Canva. Including a photo can help employers connect a face to your name, making you more memorable. So let's get started. First, if you have your photo ready, go to it. Here, we'll be using this photo just for example, but make sure that you use your original photo while keeping your photo on CV. Now, simply drag it onto the upload folders in Canva. Once it's uploaded, drag the image to add it to your resume. You can place it wherever you prefer, like the top left corner or any other spot. If you want to add some style, instead of just placing a square photo, you can use a shape. Go to the Elements tab and search for frames. You'll see a variety of options. Choose the one you like. For example, if you want to use a circle frame, click on it and drag it into your design. Then, drag your photo into the frame, and it will automatically fit, or you can resize and adjust the photo as needed. And that's it. Now you know how to easily add a photo to your Canva resume. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.